quite noisy. God, it's massive in there. Oh, it's beautiful. It's the first church I've come into and it's nice and warm. Beautiful. It's massive. Right, this is for the war dead. And we just had Remembrance Sunday last week. This is the Second World War, First World War on top. And out by the gate, as you come in, there's hundreds of names on the wall. It's wild. Down this way first. It's nice and bright in here. It's a change. There's the organ. Nice. Like stainless steel pipe. Look at quite a new one. And the pipes are on this side as well. Look at a wee piano. Beautiful. It's quite a big church, this one. It's like a mini living. Brass plates. I can see my ugly face in there. You read that? Can't read that one. It's polished. This one's from 1674. Oh. Just take a cross section of the cross up here. Look. It's wild. Brilliant. It's a lovely church, this. Big altar here. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Lots of light in here. The altars. There's a wee one here. There's a wee one here. And then there's a big one right up the middle. Look at that. Now this balustrade stuff, I've seen that in another church recently. Bamwell Church. Something similar. Cool. Lovely pulpit over here. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice carvings in it. This looks beautiful as well. It's probably the farmland around. Oh, there's some steps going up into somewhere. Food lot. Let's have a look at that. Loft stairs. Look at that. Climb up there. I'm right back over here. This is it's like a tapestry, this thing. This one. Oh, that's Moses. This. That's beautiful. Read it. Here lies the body of Elizabeth Smitham, who departed this life December 30th, 1773, aged 61 years. Tripsies. What's that one say? I remember Cecil Collins, observer, 2nd Lieutenant Royal Flying Corps, 1916, age 25. Don't know if you can see all that. It's nice and shiny. Beautiful, beautiful. The big columns are beautiful. Don't have pews, I got chairs in here. I've just noticed. Look at this one. Nice. Let's see if this door opens. No, I think it's locked. Oh, the chair's got names on them. In memory of.